Hi fellow DIYers! Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made this classy name keychain. I already created a tutorial something similar to this, but it was just the outline of the actual word. This time, I'm going to make an offset or a cloud around the name. I'm also going to use a Dollar Tree tote bag like what I did with the other name keychain tutorial, but the only difference is this time I'm going to use iron-on. This one is very easy to make, yet elegant looking. I also put the name of the other name keychain tutorial in my description box. So let's get started! Open your Design Space app, click text, type in the name that you want to make, and then I'll use Amarillo for the font. I got this from thefont.com. I'll put the link in my description box. And I don't like how the letters are not connected. And while the name is still selected, I'm going to click Weld. Then I'm going to click Offset. And then I'll leave the offset to 0.25 and then click Apply. And then select All. I'll just change the width. I'll leave the lock on. So I'll change it to 4.5. Now I'm going to separate the name and the offset. Then while the offset is still selected, I'm going to click Duplicate. Then select one of those offsets and then click Flip and then flip horizontal. And the gap is approximately 0.75 inches. So now we're going to make the connector. I'm going to click Shapes and then Square. Unlock this lock icon and then change the size to 1.75 by 0.75 inches. And then just put it in the middle. Select all and then click Align and then center vertically. Then click Weld, then click Make It. And as we can see, the name is on mat number 1. And since we're going to use iron-on, we want to make sure that mirror is turned on. Then click Continue. Then click Everyday Iron-On. Now once we're done cutting the first mat, the second mat is the leather. We need to change the setting before proceeding to cut mat number 2. So now I'm going to select Faux Leather Paper Thin. So this is the faux leather tote bag that I got from Dollar Tree. Now go to Cricut Heat Guide website. I'll put the link in the description box below. And I'm going to use the mini press, so I'm going to click that. And then for my heat transfer material, I'm going to click Everyday Iron-On or Light or Metallic. And then for my base material, I'm going to click Faux Leather and then click Apply. Now it says here to preheat the base material for 5 seconds and then press the iron-on to the base material using low setting with light pressure and constant movement for 30 seconds. And then slowly remove the liner when it's cool to touch. So now my mini press is ready. Just preheating the base material for 5 seconds. Now I'm just using a bottle of sanitizer to help it cool down. So this is the metal that I'm going to use for the keychain. I got this from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description box below. Fabric hot glue for this one, but I'm going to use a regular hot glue. Apply hot glue portion by portion. And there you have it! If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. All feedback is welcome and any feedback is good feedback. Please subscribe to my channel and check out my other tutorials. See you in the next episode of DIY by Saz. Thanks for watching!